Hey, what can I do for you?
Pasquale,
Pippo!
what are you doing here?
Ah, it's nice to see you. I work here now.
You work here now?
This is my third job.
What's your first job?
I have to be a husband.
That's a shit.
I know, that's why I come here, because sometimes, Maria, she break the ball. So I come here to work at Dairy Ball Bandura.
Listen, stupid, it's not called dairy balls. It's called dairy bells.
My bell ball, same thing, no? Anyway, I'm a very busy man. I got a lot of customer here.
Where?
You want an ice cream or not?
You think I come in here to buy a house?
You want to buy a house? Go buy a house down the road.
I want ice cream.
That's why I work here. Put your voice down. It's my first day. I go to the boss here.
That's
first
not my
day.
fault. Customer always right.
Yeah, but you're wrong. You want to try some ice cream?
I do want to try before I buy.
What do you want to try?
Give me some spearmint, please.
Here.
Thank you very much. Banana, please.
Banana. You bloody banana.
You banana. Give me the banana.
Here.
Thank you very much. That tastes like banana, that one.
Yeah, that's because it's a banana.
Give me some of the lick of the rice, please.
Hey, look at the rice.
That's nice.
Good. You ready?
I want to try something else. Give me cow milk.
Cow milk. Un pochino duro. Here you go. Try that one, compare. It's a speciale.
Cow
that
milk
one.
tastes good.
Yeah, good. What else do you like?
Give me the cook of the cream, please.
Here, for you, taste this one.
Oh, that's nice.
Try it.
You want some?
No, I'm a worker here.
Calm yourself right down. I'm just trying to help.
Yeah, but you just try. You not buy. You gonna buy something?
To be honest with you, Pasquale, I'm a little bit full now.
Full?
I'm very full, so thank you very much.
No, it's not working like that. You can't come here just to try out. This is not bloody try out place. Alright, you have to get an ice cream. Alright, what do you want?
Small cone, Nutella, no nuts.
Nutella with no nuts.
But that's, veramente, that's very small.
You said to give me smaller one.
Alright, okay.
Oh,
I'll take this one.
dai,
How much?
come over here.
Okay. What do I owe you?
Look, Pippo, for today, don't worry about it.
What do you mean?
It's on my house. You can have it for free.
I can have this one for free.
Good.
Okay. Can you give me something else for free?
Oh yeah? Shh, don't tell anybody. It's my first day. I give you this here, huh? We make a beautiful hot jam donut at Dairy Bell Bandura. You need to take one to Maria.
I think I should. Thank you very much. She loves that one. She sits on the donut on the couch. She's got sore hemorrhoids.
Yeah, I don't need to know.
Thank you.
Alright, get out of here.
Get out.
Okay, go.
I go when I want.
Go now. Go.
I'm going, stupid.
Get out.
I'll talk to you later. Shut up.
I can't believe this.
Aren't you supposed to be work?
Nah, they had to let me go. I got to the fire because I give you a bloody free ice cream.
Why did you give me free ice cream for?
Because you're my best friend.
I could have paid for
I
it.
know.
You gotta learn one thing in life, Pasquale. When you work for Dairy Balls, you're gonna get the sack.
You getting me fire?
Ah, jeez. You want me to take you home?
Yes, sir, please. You got to the car?
No. We'll catch the bus.
Alright. Here, you can give this one to Maria. You know she like the cooking, she can put it on here.
That's alright.
Hey, where's the donuts?
I eat.